Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe from Twitch channels in 2019. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Twitch website, and we're going to be making sure we're signed in. What we're going to be doing once we're signed in is we're going to be clicking on the drop down on the top right, and we should see an option here called subscriptions. Now once this opens up, we should see all active subscriptions we currently have on our Twitch account. You can see the current subscriber badge, and we can also see the sub renew date here. So in this case for me, my subscription is going to renew in 26 days, but I actually want to cancel this to stop the subscription renewing before this time. What we want to do is click on the cogwheel next to the subscription that we want to edit, and it will open up this edit subscription tab where we have the option to change subscription tier, change payment method, or don't renew subscription. In this case, what we're going to be doing is clicking don't renew subscription, which is going to open up a new tab. Then from here, it's going to give you some options to select your reason for canceling. In this case, for me, I'm just going to be clicking other, but you can select any of the other ones if you wish. You can also give some additional thoughts if you want. In this case, I'm not going to. What we need to do then is click don't renew subscription, and then our subscription will no longer be renewing. If we then return to our subscriptions, we can see underneath the subscription info, we can see the sub end date rather than the sub renew date. So that means that we don't have to worry about this resubscribing for the next month. Anyway guys, it's that easy to unsubscribe from a channel on Twitch. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.